Okay, back to everyone that's watching. Do you remember the valve cover? There it is. And if you can see, there's no oil leakage anywhere, no oil leakage on top, so everything came out good. Now, what I'm doing right now, this is gonna go upside down, but I will show you. Okay, let me see. Right here. Let me see if you can see it. Where's my hand? Well, anyways, it's kind of hard to see right here. Let me take this off. Maybe I could do it without the. Okay, so if I go back here, you see right here, I took an O2 sensor off, and what I did is I used my OBD2, plugged it up to the car, and it told me that I was using this. The sensor is bad. So this is the OBD2 sensor, right? I didn't show you how I took it off, but I'm going to show you how to put it back on. This thing cost me $108. It has to be changed because the idle is real rough. If I have to, then if you look right there where my finger's at, that's the other one on the top bank. I might have to change it, but I hope not. If I do, I'll wait till next paycheck. So I'm going to show you. This is the old one, see that? And this one right here is the new one. So this is very easy to put on. So pretty much I would take this off. Let me see. Here it is. And this is already got anti-seize on there. I was trying to buy some, they say they had it. The reason for that is because the high temperatures can make that seize in the thread and you'll have a hard time breaking it to take it off. Okay, so this will go in there and I will show you. Let me see. So I gotta use my finger to find the hole. Yeah. Once you put this in there, you gotta do it by hand. Okay, so I don't want this to melt right there, so I'm gonna hold you up for a little while. I'll put that in, and then I'll show you what I did. Okay, so that's not tightened all the way in, but you can see where it went in, right? So I'll put this up here for now, and whenever you do these, you have to have a special socket. You can buy the socket, the OBD2 computer reader. You can buy that at AutoZone, many places. I bought mine at Harbor Freight, and it's always worked good. And this right here is the tool. The reason why you need this is because you can't use a regular socket because you have the line there. So when you put this, it goes around the line like this. The line can bend, right? And then you put your socket here. See how it goes in there? And you can tighten it. So let me tighten that. I need to put this down for a minute and then I'll show you how I plug it in. Let me see if I can do it with this hand. Maybe I can show you a little bit. So we'll put the socket in here. I wish I had some way to hold the camera, but I don't. And then fix this. Now it's in tightening mode. Okay, let me do this. I don't want to cross thread anything. Okay, so I did that, and it doesn't take much because it just hits right away the thread ends. So here is what I need to plug up. Now the old one has a little clip that goes here. Let me show you. Let's see if I can put this one here temporarily. Okay. This little clip right here doesn't come with it, but this comes off of here. It opens right here. I don't know if I could do it with one hand. It's kind of hard. Let me see. So I use both of my fingers and you just pry that open a little bit. You know, you need both of your hands because it's kind of hard with one. And let's put it on the new one, and that's so you can attach it to one of the hoses so it's not bouncing around everywhere. So I already know the direction it goes in, so I will show you. See where I have it? I need to put it in there. Give me a second again. So now you can see it's in there, and this thing can actually turn to the orientation you want it to look. See? Okay, so this is going into this one. It just clips in. Let me show you. See, that's the little button that you have to press in when you pull it out. And then, let me see if that doesn't fall in. So you can see this in. This is what clips in there. So this, when it goes in there, that little part right here, it clips under there, and that's why you gotta do that button. Let me see if I can, I don't think I could do it with one hand, but we will see. If it was getting held by something, it'd be easier, but it's not, so. I might need assistance from my other hand. I might right here. Let me see. Yeah, one-handed. Click it in. So I'm gonna push it a little more with both of my hands, but it's in pretty good. So that's in, guys. You see that? Now, let me see what hose I can attach it to. I can attach it to this hose. You see where I attached it? And that's all to it. That's the O2 sensor. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And I can show you the OB2 computer reader. They're pretty cheap. I suggest that y'all buy one. It's good to have and carry around with you. Okay? I'll let y'all know if it runs better.